The pyramid hat is done. Woo! Looking so fly. Flying high up in the sky. Yes, I believe I could fly. Word, I'm looking so fly. Yeah, y'all. People be like, you made those? Yep, yep. It's an Orgone pyramid with copper wire and brass wire and triskelions, jam-packed with all types of crystals. Helps to heal the body, protect you from 5G, which is the radiation and bad energy coming off these phone towers, protect you from the Wi-Fi, from your cell phones, all of that. Yep, 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 yep. So if you'd like to get one, hit me up. You could also get one for your house, just to protect it outside. You could actually place it outside your house. This is filled with triskelions, as you can see. All right. Once again, copper wire, twisted. The bottom of it looks like a square. Pyramids are actually three shapes in one. So you have a square, then you have triangles, four of them, right? You can tell me what the other shape is. All right, here you go, a circle. That's right. So these actually act as portals, energy. Um, from personal experience, I would say that I've experienced healing in my hip and my knee. So at one point, I wasn't able to walk for a minute because I had an injury. And what this does, it helps you to recover quickly from your injuries. So that's another reason you should definitely get one of these if you've experienced any type of injury, physical injury. It will literally help your body to recover quickly, and you will be back in action. All right. So there you go, Orgone Pyramid. Great for healing, great for protecting your home, great for um, purifying your food. Put this over your juice, over your food. Just sit it like that. Whoop. Let it sit there for like 15 minutes, and it will purify the food. What's happening is it takes all the negative things out of the food, and it brings good, purified, powerful, potent energy for your body. Whoop. And it shoots a vortex. So the resin sucks in negative energy. All right. The copper and the crystal help transmute it into great energy, and then it pops out the top, out the vortex. Boop. And if I had my pendulum, you would see the energy going in a spiral motion like this. All right. So that's the power. That's the proof. And I've done it many times. Y'all can watch my videos. I've done it many times where I've shown you that this actually can, um, this actually does have an energy flowing out of it. So you place this on the ground outside your house, preferably in the soil, on the grass, or on the sand, or rocks. But don't place it on the concrete, anything man-made. You definitely want to have it connected, grounded to the earth, because that's what gives it its ability to go 13 miles in the sky, whew, energy, 13 miles wide, whew, radius, and 13 miles deep into the earth. So you're protected on all levels. This, all right? Yeah, yeah. Walk on energy, sending that powerful synergy, powerful energy. I feel the energy all around me, 360 degrees through the hat, the circle of the hat, man. Y'all peoples need to get off your knees and be the God that you need to be for the birds and the bees. Yeah, yeah. Trade the creator. All right, y'all. Reach out to me if you want to get one of these. All right. Different prices is based upon what I put inside of it, the type of design I put on it. Some come with triskelions, some don't. Um, so, you can get a pyramid hat, or you can get one of these Orgone pyramids to place in your home, outside your home, or office. Preferably, you will want four of these. All right, all around the house. I do have wholesale prices, so the more you get, the less expensive it is. All right, so I make my prices very affordable, and it's all based upon what it is that you're looking to do in regards to your situation. All right. Thank you. One love. Namaste. The God in me honors the God in me. Peace and love.